I heard there's this chicken place called like 60 chickens or something. It was like 60 something chicken, and apparently that place is really good because they only sell 60 something chickens. Yeah. Oh, just 60. Okay. You should get chicken. Yeah, I've heard good things about that, and I had it because that person was very pushy, and it was just okay. I mean, chicken just tastes like chicken to me. I really can't tell. They sell you 60 chickens or 60 chickens for the whole day. 60 chickens for the whole day. No.